Stuck a fishing wire.
Okay, now when I clip this one, it's probably going to fly, so you're going to want to watch it.
Got right in the arm.
That hurt.
Oh my gosh. You're killing me here. Let me do that for you, please.
Won't come through.
Gosh.
It's coming.
Oh, you are the man.
God, that's deep. See the tip.
Gosh.
It's coming.
Sorry. It's almost out. It's
Okay.
really close.
Okay, do you see which way to go?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that hurts.
Okay. God, how big is the freaking barb? Okay, you need to go back that way with your turning. The whole thing is in that direction.
So what are you saying? Here.
Okay. God, why will that not go through? Seriously.
I don't know.
The barb is on the inside.
It's on the
like you
inside,
said.
yeah.
Yeah, and that's why you can't get the skin.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on, just. Quick. Let me see a tool, the small, okay, that's such a big tool.
That's all we got.
Okay.
They're rusty
we have some
too.
smaller ones of these in there.
There you go.
Okay. You okay?
Mm-hmm. Why won't that not come over that barb? That must be a hell of a barb.
I think we're not, it's like this hook thing is, okay. It's not this hard getting it out of a fish. That hurts probably because that's the way it needs
It's
to go.
just pinching, yeah. It's pinching in the...
Okay, there we go. Yes. Hold on. Ah.
Or if we had like a screwdriver or something to push down on the skin on that side.
Thinking that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's not. This is over the barbed side.
Yeah.
Skin's too loose right there.
There you go. It's working. And then, yeah, there you go. That's what I'm thinking. Because that's where the barb is. There you go. It's in.
It's just caught on the little
Just
skin.
gotta have the right tool.
Here, wait. Okay. You should let me do this part.
This is the fun part.
Okay. I'll hold this part for you.
It's gonna go flying. You better guard your eyes. Oh, don't. Here.
Oh, sorry. Okay. You want me to hold it at all?
No.
No. Okay. I'll hold it out for you. There you go.
Got it?
Got it.
To clip it?
I don't know if you got the barb or not. Tell me you got the barb. Oh, yes. Sweet. You know.